Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Gires Mufo. I'm one of the many voices in the Kringle community. I'm bringing to you part 2 of the upgrade payment area in the Kringle back office. I did part 1 of this series, which is all about doing your payment for your account. This part 2 is going to be how you can pay for somebody else's account. So for you to do this payment, please, you can use any of the menu areas where we pay. You start by account. You can go through your account by going through bulk payment. Let's go through bulk payment right now, which will permit us to pay for somebody's account. You click on view credits. Once you get view credit, you go right below. Let me copy an email here that we are going to use. Copy. So you come right down and you select pay for others using crypto. So you click there and you are going to land on the new payment future. The new payment future, guys, is so cool. Payment methods, and you see the green highlighted means that these are methods that you can already pay with. You can pay with BCH, that is Bitcoin Cash. You can pay with Litecoin. You can pay with grains. And you know, paying with grains does not give you the opportunity to have 100 TBC. So now, right now, you have additional resources. You can make payment with the cash center, or you can look at the number of grains. You can buy Bitcoin using a credit card, or you can exchange Bitcoin for PayPal. Now, we make part 1 and we made payment for my account. Now, we are going to take payment for a different account. So we click on continue. You see that the payment area has changed. Pay for a different user. Now, enter user information. So we are going to paste the email of the user right there, and we are going to click on continue. So when we click on continue, now the system tells us that pay for ngdonaldyahoo.fr. All payments applied here will be made to the account of. So this is the account to which we are to do payment. They say payments made are processed after this time. So this is the time of which I'm doing this recording. The payment will be processed after this particular time of which I'm doing. And the account information concern are account status of this person paid, account expiring date, this current program billionaire, monthly program fee 8 grains, lifetime web wallet status, lifetime web wallet paid, last payment, he made his last payment on the 5th of May. Last payment type, he did it in BCH, that is Bitcoin, and this is the last amount. How many Kringles does he have? He has 0 Kringle in his back office. Now, payment information. Make a payment with anything other than crypto will remove them from the core team. So he is in the core team. So he shows here in the core team. And then now select a program. If he never had a program, I will select a program, but he is in the billionaire program. Now, if I want to pay for how many months? Is it 1 month? 1 month is automatical. If I want to advance, I go 2 months. If I want to advance, I go 3 months, 6 months, and what have you. If I have to pay for a year, I go for 12 months. Now, after selecting the months, now I need to select the mode of payment. These are the modes of payment that are highlighted. We have Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Green. So let's take BCH, which is so far the best. And you see when I click on BCH, continue pop up. So I click on continue. Once I click on continue, it gives me the possibility to be able to pay for him. Right now, you see that the payment details have come out. These are payment details. I'm paying for this email. I'm paying 8 grains. I'm paying 1 month, and my method of payment is BCH. Now, these are my payment calculations. I'm paying 8 grains, and I'm applying those 8 grains for 1 month, and the total of payment is this. Other total is this. Okay. Terms and conditions. So guys, I want you to always read these terms and conditions very well, because a lot of people don't read them and they will fall into cracks. Please note that payments made will extend Donaldyahoo.fr subscribe for 1 month from today's. Payments are not refundable, and if you see that everything is okay, the email is okay, you can click here. And once you click I agree the above terms and understand that this payment will apply to the account of this, the request payment will pop. If you don't click on it, you are not going to see where to get the address. So you click there, request payment address will appear and you click on it. Once you click on the request payment address, it processes for a while and payment confirmation instructions are going to come up. Instructions to complete payment. So they tell you copy paste the payment address and copy paste the amount showed here to your crypto wallet receive address. If you send a payment of less than required, your payment will be rejected and will time out. If this occurs, you will be contacted to refund your insufficient payment. Be sure to send exactly the payment shown. Do not subtract transaction fee or send less than required, or your account will not be updated. Your payment will not give partial credit and your coins will be tied until the payment time out, and you will be contacted to retrieve your funds. So guys, respect what is instructed there. So you can click now on copy to clipboard. It will copy the address you take to your wallets and you will come back. Pay exactly this amount in BCH for month program fee. Paying less than required at this time will result in KCBO extension of month in accordance with your payment. Only the exact amount will be result in lifetime web wallet fee to be paid. So you come and you click on clipboard to copy the amount. So all these two informations you take to your payment wallet and you insert and pay, and that is how you have paid for this person. So guys, that is how we pay for other person using this new payment format. I just wanted to make it clear because other people are coming to me and telling me, oh, the format has changed, they don't know how to do it. So that is how you do it. If you have any difficulties, address yourself to the member helpers training that is showing right there, and we will be readily available to help you. So thank you very much and see you in another short video. Bye bye for now.